All right, so now you understand how to read a tape measure just with inches. There's many more measurements other than just simple inches, right? You have a wide variety and a wide range of measurements. So what I'm gonna do now is focus on the in-between one, the ½ inch. So when you're looking at a tape measure, and again, you're looking at all these little lines that are in between the inch mark, the longest line after the inch is the ½ inch. Okay? So what that means is I've essentially broken my 1 inch up into two parts. First half and then the second half. One thing to also remember, this is a bit of a hint. Whenever you're doing any kind of measurement, basically with half or any combination with fractions, with a tape measure, you're always going to have an odd number on top of an even number. Okay? So one example is maybe you get 1/2. Odd, 1 over 2 even. Sometimes you might get something like 3/4. Again, 3, which is odd, 4, which is even. One thing that you won't see is you won't see something like 4 over 16. Okay? And the reason being is that can actually be further reduced. 4 over 16, if we break it down into its smallest part, would actually be 1 over 4. Okay? So, and again, that is then therefore a odd number over an even number. So keep that in mind. Okay? So you'll always have an odd over an even number. Now looking at this, you can see here, we've got again our tape measure from 0 to 1. Our ½ inch mark is square in the middle, and again, the longest line. So if I was to measure something from 0 all the way to here, that means it's ½ an inch. Okay? If I was to change this, so instead of being 0 and 1, it was 4 and 5, I would write that as 4 and 1/2 inches. Okay? So I know if I saw this, that's actually 4½ inches. One thing again, when it comes to reading a tape measure, we always use fractions. We don't use decimals. Okay? So don't convert this to 4.5 inches. Keep it as 4 and 1/2 inches. Okay? And again, I could do it again. If this was a 7 and an 8, this would be 7½ inches. Okay? And that makes sense. You know it's not over 8 because 8's right here. Okay? So it has to be above 7, but under 8, and it's halfway in between, so it's 7½ inches. All right? So try the next few problems. Good luck. If you have any problems, again, come back to this video. It should help you with it.